Hello, and welcome to 5417 Grace. You're in the Holly Hills neighborhood of St. Louis. This is a 100-year-old craftsman bungalow, and uniquely, it retains the majority of its original features. You can see from the front, we have two posts, which are actually sloping up towards the roof. That's not the angle. As we come up the front porch, get a better view of that. You can see the slope there, as well as the gentle arch along between the two posts. Here we have looks like a copper lamp with the original stained glass in it. And then the ceiling is a beadboard ceiling, which is original to the house as well. The original front door here, and it has this beautiful etched glass on the top here. And that's not all, because as we come inside, we walk into the living room. Lo and behold, is the original fireplace with a gas insert, flanked by two stained glass windows and two beautiful leaded glass bookcases. This adjoins the dining room through an archway, again with the original unpainted wood. The dining room here has another stained glass window, which matches those on the other side. And then we enter the hallway. There was a door here, and I do see a door in the basement, which I believe is the one that could be put back up here if so desired. We have two bedrooms and a bathroom. Looking here first at the bathroom, I like the way that this entire unit, the casing for the doors, for the door to the bathroom, is made almost like one furniture-esque piece with the closets on both sides. And then as we enter the bathroom, we have a bathtub here, which is, I believe, original to the house. It's a roll-up tub, and that's a common 1920s bathtub. This tile has been replaced in the shower. However, the rest of the bathroom retains its original glass vitrolite tile. And we have a vitrolite windowsill here. This stuff is great. You can clean it with Windex. And this is unique because this top sticker bar is a light blue color, which is quite rare. The majority was pink or green. We also have a built-in utility medicine cabinet. That's the word I was looking for. Sink, toilet. Those are updated, obviously. But here we have another built-in. This is a linen cabinet with drawers below and a cute little laundry chute right next to that as well. Then we continue on to the kitchen. So this kitchen actually retains its original flooring. This is a more workaday, it looks like oak flooring, but it compares to the higher quality flooring that's used in the rest of the house. Obviously, the kitchen sees a lot more wear and tear, so it's more common to have a harder wearing working floor in here than what you'd use in the areas of the house you're less hard on. So this kitchen has been updated probably in the 1950s, it looks like. Has the honey cabinets, which are in really great shape. Again, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, all that. This wall has been tiled. And then this goes out to a rear section here. This addition was built, I don't know if this was an addition or just was built using different materials. We'll see when we go outside, because it looks like it's still 1920s or maybe early 30s design. You can see the original door frame, matches the millwork in the rest of the house. Baseboards are a little different. a little narrower. But it adjoins this other room here, which retains all the original woodwork. So this is a second bedroom here, the rear bedroom. And it has two closets. We have a main closet here as well as a little closet on the side. And you can tell by the millwork that both of those are authentic, or original to the house. And then looking up, you can also see how that door is, the millwork on that is cased in with a glass door as well, giving a really cohesive feel. Then as we come back through here, I want to point this out here in the hallway. We have one of the original light fixtures. Just going to turn this off so that you can see it a little better. That is original to the house. And hang on to the end of the video because I'll show you there's some of the original ones which are still stored downstairs. I believe we're in the living room and dining room. Then looking in here, we have the front bedroom. Again, separated by this glass door as was common at the time. Then in here we have some stairs which do go up to an attic. I'm not going to go up there right now, but that is designed so in the future, if so desired, the house could be expanded upwards. And then back here in the hallway, again, look at how these three doors were all cased together. Take a look in the basement. Here's the obligatory pencil sharpener, which should be in every house that was built before 1950. We have a finished front room here, using some quite smooth, white, clean paneling of some type, probably from the 50s it looks like. And then another room at the rear, which looks like it has a beadboard style wall finish. And then this is the unfinished section over here. Again, dry locked walls, stack, updated furnace. Nothing too exciting here. There's a dartboard, little workshop area. But come inside and take a look at this. We have here the original chandeliers on the same pattern as that hall light. And those probably were where the living room ceiling fan is and the dining room light fixture. So those could be looked over and put back into use if so desired. And then as we adjourn back upstairs, take us outside. Again, there's a transom above the door. And uniquely, this house maintains the original beadboarding. Let me see if I can get the camera to adjust the light there. There we go. Underneath all of the eaves, which is the way the house would have originally been built. That's quite unusual to see. Again, have a patio. Nice sized backyard. Single garage. Here's a view of the rear of the house. And that concludes my tour of this Craftsman bungalow. Please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, let us know if there's any other properties you'd like to see. Thank you.